Welcome to the first tutorial on the philosophy in Islam topic. We are going to look at revelation, the Quran, and the role of angels in revelation. One of the ways that Allah is made known to humans is through revelation. There are two main types: special revelations, which is direct communication, and general revelation, which is an experience available to everyone to allow them to recognize Allah. Can you remember the ways Muslims believe Allah reveals himself? I can think of 8 different ways. Allah is revealed through the beauty of nature, scripture, the feeling during worship, prophets, conversion, conscience, miracles and visions. The Quran talks about the different ways Allah reveals himself. Firstly, directly, like in a dream. Secondly, from behind a veil, like in a vision. Thirdly, through a messenger, like an angel. Some prophets experienced more wahi, which is revelation that occurs through angels, but they also happened to other people. The mothers of Moses and Jesus received messages from Allah too. Revelations vary according to the person or context. Muslims believe the Quran is the final and perfect guide for humanity. When the earth becomes dry, rain falls and dead soil experiences new life. When people's souls are empty of purity, Allah sends revelation to renew their spiritual life. The Quran has been called Ruh, which means spirit. At the time, non-believers claimed Prophet Muhammad was mad, but Allah makes it clear that he came with a message of truth. Many Muslims believe that all revelation stopped after Muhammad because the Quran was Allah's final message. There is no need to add to something that is flawless. The Quran, with the Hadith, provides everything a Muslim needs to stay on the right path. Some Muslims believe forms of revelation still occur because Allah's characteristics are eternal, so if he revealed things in the past, he will continue to do so today. Also, Wahi brings people closer to Allah, which is something he still wants today. The Quran says that angels bring messages to believers, especially during Laylat al-Qadr. Muhammad said that a mujaddid, which is a reformer, would appear every century. Also, many hadith talk about the arrival of the Mahdi, which is the guided leader. In the exam, you might be asked to outline 3 Muslim beliefs about revelation. You might also have to argue for and against whether revelation is a thing of the past or whether it's something that still happens today. In summary, revelation can be special or general and is called wahi in the Quran. The most important revelation for Muslims is the Quran. There are different Muslim views on whether revelation stopped after Muhammad or not.